Hey, it's Nick, and we're cooking turkey. The first thing to do is to trim off any extra skin on the turkey, and then you want to pat it dry. Also, make sure that you removed any giblets and neck from the cavity of the turkey if they're in there. I like to add aromatics on the inside, lemons, fresh herbs, onions, things like that. This is optional, but I like it. I think it adds some extra flavor. The next step is to go ahead and season with salt and pepper. If you have a rub you like, you can use that, but I like salt and pepper. Use lots of it. I think that is plenty enough for flavor. Once you've seasoned it thoroughly, go ahead and put that turkey breast side up on a rack over a roasting pan. This is going to help air circulate, and I like doing this. So where we get fancy, we're going to take fresh side pork and lay it over the breast. This is bacon before it's bacon, and it adds great flavor and keeps the breast from overcooking. If you noticed, I also took out the pop-up thermometer because those don't work. You shouldn't trust them. Tuck the wingtips under the breast, and then go ahead and put some butcher netting or cheesecloth over the side pork. Pour in about a cup of water and then tent it up with foil. This is going to keep everything moist and juicy as it cooks. So go ahead and put it in the oven once you got it all foiled up. Roast at 350 degrees for 15 minutes per pound of turkey, and with 45 minutes of cook time left, remove the side pork and let it cook uncovered after that. So we have 45 minutes left. You can see we take off the netting. The side pork, the breast looks a lot different than the legs, and that's because it's cooked more slowly. The side pork's insulated it. So we're going to throw it back in for another 45 minutes. After the last 45 minutes, you can see it looks quite different. Everything's beautiful, done, delicious. So go ahead, carve it, serve it however you like, and enjoy.